Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we start on a journey into the realm of Scandinavian kitchen island design, unlocking the secrets to achieving a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Before delving into the specifics of kitchen island design, let's take a moment to understand the underlying philosophy of Scandinavian design. This approach emphasizes functionality, clean lines, natural materials, and a minimalist aesthetic. The goal is to create a space that is calming, inviting, and conducive to everyday living. What, then, defines a Scandinavian kitchen island? It is more than just a piece of furniture. It is the heart of the kitchen, a space for gathering, cooking, and sharing meals. It embodies the principles of Scandinavian design through: first, clean lines and minimalism. Sleek, uncluttered lines create a sense of order and peace. Second, natural materials. Wood, stone, and other natural materials bring warmth and texture to the space. Third, light and airy feel. Light colors and large windows create a sense of openness and spaciousness. Fourth, functionality. The island serves multiple purposes, such as food preparation, dining, and storage. Color plays a crucial role in Scandinavian design, and when it comes to your kitchen island, the perfect choice should evoke a sense of serenity and enhance the overall aesthetic. Here are some suggestions. First, white, a classic choice that creates a bright and airy feel. Second, light wood tones. Oak, birch, and maple add warmth and natural texture. Third, pale gray, a calming and versatile option that works well with various color schemes. Fourth, black, a bold statement for a modern and dramatic touch. While the aforementioned elements contribute significantly, certain design features are particularly characteristic of Scandinavian kitchen islands. First, simple silhouettes, rectangular or square shapes with minimal ornamentation. Second, tapered legs, adding a touch of elegance and lightness. Third, open shelving, showcases beautiful kitchenware and creates visual interest. Fourth, integrated appliances, optimizing space and maintaining a streamlined look. Fifth, wood countertop, adds warmth and authenticity to the space. While rules are meant to be broken, certain guidelines can help you achieve a successful Scandinavian kitchen island design. First, simple silhouettes, rectangular or square shapes with minimal ornamentation. Second, tapered legs, adding a touch of elegance and lightness. Third, open shelving, showcases beautiful kitchenware and creates visual interest. Fourth, integrated appliances, optimizing space and maintaining a streamlined look. Fifth, wood countertop, adds warmth and authenticity to the space. Adding personal touches to your island is essential for creating a space that reflects your personality. Here are some tips. First, greenery, introduce fresh plants or herbs for a touch of life. Second, artwork, add a statement piece or a collection of framed prints. Third, cookbooks, display your favorite cookbooks on a stand or open shelf. Fourth, decorative bowls, fill bowls with fruits, vegetables, or decorative objects. Fifth, lighting, layer different lighting sources, such as pendant lights and accent lamps. And finally, to inspire your creativity, here are 10 Scandinavian kitchen island design ideas. 1. Two-tone magic. Combine the elegance of white cabinetry with the warmth of a wood countertop for a stunning and timeless look. 2. Open and airy. Opt for an island with open shelving, showcasing your beautiful kitchenware while maintaining a sense of spaciousness. 3. Multitasking marvel. Integrate a sink into your island for seamless food preparation and cleanup, maximizing functionality in smaller spaces. 4. Breakfast nook bliss. Create a cozy dining area by incorporating a breakfast nook into your island design, perfect for intimate mornings or casual gatherings. 5. Modern masterpiece. Elevate your kitchen with a black island featuring sleek lines and integrated appliances, creating a bold and contemporary statement. 6. Green Goddess. Infuse your island with life by incorporating a built-in herb garden, bringing freshness and practicality to your culinary space. 7. Wine Connoisseur's Dream. Indulge in your passion for wine by integrating a dedicated wine fridge into your island, allowing for convenient storage and temperature control. 8. Reading Nook Retreat. Design a tranquil reading nook as part of your island, offering a peaceful escape with a good book and a cup of tea. 9. Rolling with the Flow. Enhance flexibility and functionality by choosing an island with wheels, allowing you to easily adjust its position based on your needs. 10. Hidden Storage Solutions. Maximize storage space by incorporating hidden drawers or cabinets within your island, maintaining a clean and minimalist aesthetic. Ready to start on your own Scandinavian kitchen island design journey? Remember, functionality, natural elements, and a touch of personal style are essential ingredients for success. Explore inspiration from online resources, design magazines, and even visit kitchen showrooms to get a feel for different materials and configurations. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your creativity flow. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of impressive small house facade design ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.